Hey y'all, it's your boy Mike, aka Scarfinger, aka PTC AC representative, and this is what I have worked on today. Now, this has been a few hours worth of work, and I made a bunch of wax melts, a few sample cups that I'm going to give out with orders once I actually start getting a whole lot of orders. And I made a couple of candles. Now, for the candles, I did I tried to do like a marbling effect, and it did not work at all. They just kind of look brown. These are cinnamon rolls. Yeah, I think it's cinnamon rolls. So I made those, and then I made a bunch of these. Like these are Bay Rum, the green ones. I tried to do like a turquoise, but I don't think I measured out the blue enough. I guess I had way more green. These white ones are spiced eggnog from the Flaming Candle. The Bay Rum is from Flaming Candle also. I had someone in the Facebook group actually give me a copy. She was getting rid of some stuff and she sold them through the group, so I got those. These here are blueberry pancake. I was gonna try the marbling effect again, and then I realized that it didn't quite work with these, so I probably should leave that alone. So blueberry pancake. Up here is more cinnamon rolls. You can see I messed up and I poured over the edge of one of them, or one or two of them, and I'll fix that before they actually get sold. And then these that I just finished, you can see they're still, they haven't hardened yet. These are pineapple. Kind of smell like pineapple candy, so I think eventually I might call them pineapple candy. So yeah, so I've been making a bunch of stuff, and the website will be up soon for me to sell them, and I think you should get some, because all these little cups on the side are like sample cups that I'm going to be adding to the other orders, and yeah, it's going to be cool. So shout out to all of the crafters and all of the people who want to buy stuff that we craft. So Patreon, do that. I'm gonna give out, like, I think I'm gonna do like a mystery box thing with the Patreon, and then but they get first dibs. They can get whatever they want. So go to the Patreon. The link is in the description, and the Facebook page where a lot of this stuff is going to be posted, including, once I have the website up, the actual website where you can buy these. Peace out.